Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Color Book Man, and today we're going to try some water paint. Over here I have a water paint set bought from Amazon.com, and we're going to give it a try today to see how this turns out. I'm going to choose one of my brushes here. Let's get it a little bit wet. And here today we're going to paint this bird here. I think we'll go to color blue. Okay, let's get our blue color wet here. And let's go around. Awesome. And again, guys, you can buy this color water paint set from Amazon Prime or Amazon.com actually. Okay, I'm going to try color in between the lines. Okay, need some more. More blue. Okay. Our blue bird is turning out pretty good. Okay, here we go. And don't be afraid to make a mess, because this is water paint. Okay, so far so good. And let's keep going. And get in between the lines. Okay, we're almost there. Okay. Alright, so far so good. Let's add some more water to our blue over here on the left. Not sure if you guys can see that. And let's continue painting. Okay, awesome. Here we go. Okay, perfect. We could make it darker if we go over the same spots again. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so that looks good so far. Let's try a different color. So what color should we try for his back? Well, actually, he's on a tree branch, right? So that could be brown. So I'm going to get some brown over here. Ooh. Well, it's not really brown. It's kind of red. But we'll use it. Okay. Painting. And you guys may paint better than me. I'm trying to stay within the lines. Okay, so far so good. And his feet I'm going to make yellow. So I'm going to try to go around his feet. Slowly. Okay. Add some more water. Okay. Oh, I got his feet, guys. Ah, my hand slipped. Okay, that's our tree branch. Now his feet, I think I'll make yellow. So let me rinse the brush out. You can use any water to rinse the brush out. And we're gonna go for yellow. And let's try yellow for his feet. It's gonna mix in with the brown. Okay. Okay, there's his feet. So far, so good. Wish it was clearer. Yeah, that looks good. All right. Now let's get the rest of his body. Let's make it light blue. Well, this may turn green because I have blue and green mixing up over here. So we'll try a different shade of blue. This is like a turquoise green, blue. Okay. Okay, awesome. All right, so far so good, guys. Let's continue on. Okay, I think I want to make the next layer of his brush, well, of his feathers, different color as well. Let's go with orange. I'm going to mix the orange in. Okay. All right, here, get some more of that orange. And let's keep going. Oh, I may have put too much orange. And that's okay. We'll just have to do the second layer. A little overlapping. Okay. Looks good. Okay. What do you guys think? Let me add some more color. Okay. I think once it dries up, it'll look better on camera. Next layer, let's do purple. So we're gonna put some water on the purple. Okay. Add some more water. Okay, perfect. Just gotta let it dry faster, hopefully. Okay. Just one more layer of purple. Okay. Okay, so far so good, guys. How about our spots on the bird's wings? What color should we make those? Maybe green? Let's try green. He's gonna be a very colorful bird. Okay, we're gonna try to stay within the circle. So he's gonna have green spots on his wings. Let's get some more paint. Okay. Ooh, I wish I had a smaller brush, but this will work. Get some more water on there. Okay guys, we're almost done. There's a few more areas to paint. Okay. Now, let's try his beak. His beak should be orange. I'm trying to clean my brush as possible. Let me try a different brush maybe. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, so far so good, guys. Okay, his beak is yellow. I wanted orange, but this came out yellow a little bit. And let's continue adding another layer of paint. Okay. Okay, now we should go back. Maybe for a black color for his head. They'll go good with the blue. Okay, so we're going for black on his head. Get some more ink. And you guys may not see the black color I have here. Let me push it up a little bit. So I'm getting some black ink from here at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to try a circular motion. I think we get more coverage changing our brush strokes. Alright. And maybe not a good idea. Okay. Okay, looks interesting. Let's go ahead and add another layer of black. Let's not get into his beak. Okay. His eyes could be, We should keep that white. How about around his eyes? We should make it red. Let's get more water in there. We're trying to go around his eyes as much as possible. Okay. The wings we could leave white and green. Let's do the last feathers, and we could do that yellow. And then we're done, guys. So you guys should try this at home. Ask your parents to check Amazon.com or Walmart.com and look for a water paint set. And it should include a brush and watercolors. And there you go. So let's see. Let's count the number of colors we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 different colors in here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is Color Book Man.